Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture is titled Red Sprites in the Tatacoa Desert. So, what do we see here? Well, here we see what is known as a red sprite, a relatively rare form of lightning that is seen moving upward in the sky and up into the upper atmosphere known as the mesosphere. And that is a little different than the normal lightning that we're used to seeing. That's normally cloud to ground lightning. So that is a discharge from the cloud, and the electrical activity then travels straight down to the ground. Now this one actually travels upward. So it starts down with the clouds, but then heads upward into the very upper parts of Earth's atmosphere. And here we see a very nice example of this rare type of lightning that had been seen but wasn't really formally documented until just a few decades ago. Now, the exact reason for this type of lightning isn't completely known. And it's thought that perhaps it has to do with ordinary lightning, where a lightning bolt would strike downward, and that would leave a negative charge in the core of the cloud. And that could then travel upward toward positively charged upper atmosphere, and then give us the red sprites that we see here. Now, the red color is due to nitrogen molecules in Earth's upper atmosphere. As we know, our atmosphere is more than 70% nitrogen, and that will be, when it's excited, will glow and gives off a distinct red glow. We sometimes see a glow like this with the aurora. The aurora case is even higher up, and that tends to be located with oxygen atoms. But here at this level, at this excitement for the atoms and molecules, we're seeing nitrogen that is being excited up there. Now, the red sprites are associated with thunderstorms, and while we can see here we're looking up above, the clouds are off in the distance there, so we're looking out above them, and that's usually when we can see it. Normally, if it was completely cloudy, you would not be able to see it directly. So you see it off towards the side. One of the reasons it tends to be harder to see than ordinary lightning, which is coming down from the clouds toward the ground. This is going up. So if the entire sky is cloudy, you're not going to see it through those clouds. But when you can see the storm off in the distance like this, you can sometimes get these images when lightning strike occurred, and then this occurs shortly thereafter, giving us one of these red sprites. Now, sprites are not confined specifically to Earth. We actually have seen these on Jupiter now. The NASA Juno spacecraft around Jupiter has observed similar types of lightning on Jupiter. So it's possible that being able to see these in two different planets will give us a better chance to be able to study them and better learn what is causing this type of lightning. So that was our picture of the day, titled Red Sprites in the Tatacoa Desert. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be a galaxy bursting with excitement. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.